Hello guys, for those of you who weren't in my class yesterday, I am just going to make a little video introducing myself and just going over my first day PowerPoint. So I will be your English 2 teacher, and my name is Miss Salyer. I know that some of you know me from Firm. You may have had Miss Taylor. Well, that's me. Obviously, and Miss Taylor, but that's what I look like. My classroom was the classroom right across the hall from the girls' restroom on the 3rd floor. So I am super sarcastic, very sassy, loud, very OCD. I love Mexican food and pizza. Oh no, oh no. But my favorite thing is coffee. Love coffee. Currently on my second glass and it's barely 8 a.m. Anyway, so more about me. I love to teach. I love to read, but my favorite thing to do is to sleep. I'm from a super small town, so I was raised differently than y'all. I may not know things that you know, so just don't be mean to me. I went to Texas A&M, the best university in the entire world. Get 'em. This is my boyfriend and I. We love to travel. This was us in Paris last summer. Obviously not this summer. But yeah, yes, he's tall. I know. That is my family. Obviously my boyfriend, our dog, one of them. My mom, my dad, my brother, and my brother's dog. His name is Bran. And these are my boys. This picture was taken before I had Mozzie. So anyway, that's Harry and Mozzie. They're brothers. They're so cute. Yes. So these are the student expectations for my class. Obviously, you need to follow all school rules and procedures. Be on time, on task, and prepare to learn every day. Be responsible for your own learning. And then obviously you need to be respectful to me, your classroom, and then our learning space. Your classmates and our learning space. Responsible for your own learning means literally just kind of taking ownership. Like if you don't do an assignment, don't come at me because you have a 0, right? Just make up the assignment, turn it in late, and be responsible. I don't fail kids. I grade on effort. So if you give me 0 effort and turn in 0 work, then yeah, you're going to fail. But even if you turn in work and it's wrong, but I can see that you tried, I'm going to make sure you pass. Virtual expectations. You were to join class with the camera off and the mic muted. You'll participate with Pear Deck, which is the questions that you'll see in a live class. And then obviously no awful language, nothing that you would use not use in a courtroom, right? So if you wouldn't say it to a judge that's possibly giving you probation, I don't want you to say it to me. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. So today, in the email I send, I need you to do the survey at the beginning. I need you to sign up for Remind, do the About Me assignment, and the homework assignment. Please let me know if you have any questions.